Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we are going to do a quick and in-depth review of Chinology Facial Mask. So they claim that this facial mask can help you to get rid of your double chin in just 3 weeks, and it eliminates up to 98% of your double chin fat. And apart from that, they also have made a bold claim that this is a #1 dermatologist solution. And if we scroll a little bit up, you will not get to know about any of the research based results that they have done on some particular set of people. So their disclaim is slightly fake, you can say. And if you try to look for its reviews, you will see that they have 4.85 out of 5 ratings based on 8,941 reviews, which is really impressive. And if you try to look for the reviews of Chinology company on the Trustpilot website, you will see that they have 4.2 score out of 5 stars based on 1,132 reviews, which is also a really good point. And this mask is also available on Amazon with the 3.5 ratings based on the 45 reviews. And you can also see that there are 400 plus products that have been sold in the last month. So in conclusion, I would say that this mask is a little bit legit, but you cannot trust entirely on this. So I would say that just do consider consulting with your doctor or maybe any of your friend, talking about if they have purchased this mask before. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.